In this video, I'm going to be installing these AM gutter guards on my house. And we're going to do it right now. So here I am in my basement, and if you follow my channel, you might know that I was getting water coming through the walls not too long ago. So the first thing I did to correct that was to put gutters up on the front of my house. I actually hired a company to do seamless gutters on the entire length of my house, 40 feet, with a downspout that pushes it past the foundation into the addition where there's not even a basement like this. So I got the water away from the walls, which helped to correct the problem. But foolishly, I did not get any leaf filters or gutter guards or whatever you want to call them. And I soon realized that that was a mistake because I had to clean them out 5, 6, 7 times. And on 2 different occasions, they got so full that they were just overflowing and not coming out the downspout. So I had to keep cleaning them, and I want to not have to do that anymore. So I am going to install these, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So the first thing I want to do before I install these is completely clean out the gutters as much as I can.
How you doing?
Morning, sir. How are you?
Good.
So now that the gutters are all cleaned out, I'm ready to install my gutter guards. When it comes to choosing gutter guards or leaf filters or whatever you want to call them, there's so many different brands, there's so many different types. There's some for metal gutters, there's some for vinyl gutters. There's just a lot of different options, so you got to choose what's right for you. Now on these gutters, I don't have hidden fasteners. Hidden fasteners are the ones that go on the top of the gutter and they go straight into the house. Because I have some crown molding and my soffit's a little different, I wasn't able to actually use hidden fasteners, so I had to do roof hooks. That creates somewhat of an issue with using something like this, but all I did was notch around here, use some tin snips and notch these out around those hangers. Some other options that might work without having to do that. There's a type that basically looks like a chimney brush that you just lay in the gutter. That might work, but there are so many seeds that fall from the tree, also known as helicopters or whirligigs, whatever you want to call them, that I feel would get clogged up in that chimney brush looking thing. There's also some that they make that is some type of foam that will stop the leaves. But I noticed when I cleaned out the gutter, at the bottom of it, there was a lot of sediment, and I feel like that would clog up the foam and it eventually wouldn't work that well. So I didn't think that either one of those options was going to work for me, so I decided to get one that just goes on the top of the gutter like this, like most of them are. And the way I found this one was I just searched on Amazon. I found the ones that were most popular and had the most positive reviews, and they are these ones, AM gutter guards. So I'm going to give them a shot. You can get them in 5-inch, 6-inch, you can get a box of 20 feet, 50 feet, whatever you need for your application. So basically, to install these, I'm just going to notch out for those hangers, put some 1/2-inch self-drilling screws in here that are stainless. These are aluminum, so they won't rust. I installed these from left to right because on the right side here, they have this little notch where you overlap this, which creates a seamless system. They were really easy to install, and if you don't have roof hangers, they're going to be even easier for you. The hardest part about this install for me was maneuvering the ladder multiple times and working around the bushes that I have in the front of my house. That was kind of annoying, but there was nothing annoying about these. Really simple, really easy to install. So, enjoy. It's only a couple days later, but let's take a look, see how it's going. Okay, it's doing its job. I think the only modification that I might make is to try and get some screws at an angle into the back of the gutter here, only because this is a little flimsy, but that is more than likely because of these cutouts. But we'll see how it does. Now, I know not everybody's going to have a straight shot like I did. You may have inside corners or outside corners, and all you have to do for those is cut a 45-degree angle accordingly on the pieces, and just be really careful when you're cutting this stuff because it is super sharp. Sometimes I don't take my own advice, but I would advise you to wear gloves just in case. And when you're done your 45s, they should look a little something like this. This is an outside corner. These are pretty pliable, so you can bend them and shape them to make them look good and cover. All you want to do is just overlap them a little bit, and then this is an inside 45. The only difference, besides obviously a different 45, is that this right here is notched out so that this will sit flush, or as flush as you can get it. Just remember which way to 45. This is the piece that you attach to the outside of the gutter, and this sits on the back side of the gutter. So that's my installation of these AM gutter guards on a gutter that has roof hangers. There might be little whirligigs that get underneath the notches. What I could have done is drilled a hole in the gutter guards, taken that hanger out, and put it back in after I put the guard on. But that would have been a lot of work, and I don't think it's completely necessary. And I will definitely let you know how it does this fall and this winter. I'm in New England, and things get messy. So take a look in the description. I'll at least leave some written feedback down there as time goes on. And if there's a lot of interest of how they do, I'll make an update video. So I hope this video helps you out, or at least you got some enjoyment out of it. If you want to see more videos like this, you can click Hereish and Hereish and check those out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely consider it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hey, still working? Sorry, dude.